didn't you tell us where you were?
If you didn't want to come, then why didn't you tell us earlier?
What the fuck? Why didn't you tell us?
Why don't you tell us something about your father?
Why didn't you tell us about the antivirus?
Why didn't you tell us that you were having a problem getting pregnant?
Why didn't you tell us this sooner?
Hey, why didn't you tell us there was no fishing?
Charlie, why didn't you tell us this?
Why didn't you tell us you were going out to look for Kelly?
Why didn't you tell us that you owned a firearm?
Why didn't you tell us?
Because I love surprises, and I wanted to wait till you were here.
I see. Now, again, why didn't you tell us the truth when you gave us those memos?
George, why didn't you tell us?
Why didn't you tell us about the people who died here?
Why didn't you tell us you weren't coming?
Why didn't you tell us, eh?
Why didn't you tell us?
Why didn't you tell us the whole story?
Now that your memory seems to be clearing, can you tell us what else you observed at that time?
So can you tell us about this look?
I had to leave.
So why didn't you tell us? Why didn't you report it?
Next lesson. Hello, and welcome to the next lesson.
Evie was here. Why didn't you tell us?
So why didn't you tell us?
Because I like money. I'm sorry. But
Now why the hell didn't you tell us, son? Your mother's been worried sick.
Why didn't you tell us all this in the boardroom that day?
Why didn't you tell us about this before the trial?
Why didn't you tell us this, Mackenzie?
Why didn't you tell us this before?
And why didn't you tell us that Costas wasn't married, Lena?
Why don't you tell us what you know?
what else can you tell us about the structure?
Can you tell us who the woman in the picture is?
Oh, yes. The woman in the picture is me.